Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is vegetable sandwich. So here in this video I'm also showing you guys as to how to make the coriander chutney and the vegetable sandwich. And trust me guys, you don't need to add any cheese when you're making your sandwich because this coriander chutney is that yum.
To make our vegetable sandwich, we'll be needing the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon of roasted groundnuts, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves which I have washed thoroughly in water, 1 medium-sized tomato which I have thinly sliced it in this form, 1 medium-sized onion again which I have thinly sliced it, 1 cucumber again which I have thinly cut it into slices, 1 chilli, around half a teaspoon of jeera and 1/4 slice of a lime, salt to taste, 1/4 inch of ginger which I have chopped, pepper powder to your choice or to your taste. You can add it on the vegetables when making your sandwich. 1 tablespoon of butter for roasting our sandwich, around 3 slices of cheese, 4 bread slices. Here I'm using wheat bread. You can use white bread, multigrain bread or any other bread of your choice. Moving on to the next process, we'll make a chutney for our sandwich. So first we'll have to add the following ingredients, that is the coriander and the groundnuts, and then ginger, chili, jeera, salt to taste. We will blend it into a nice fine paste. This is how the paste should look once you have blended it into your blender jar. So now to this we will add in around 2 tablespoons of water, 2 slices of cheese, lime juice, and we will blend it in our blender. So this is how the paste will look once you have blended it. If you want, you can add more water and bring it to your desired consistency. Now moving on to the next process of assembling our sandwich. First we will take in 2 slices of bread and apply chutney that we just made on both the slices. I'm applying the chutney on both the slices because I like more chutney. If you don't like too much chutney, you can just apply it on one of the breads. Apply a layer of cucumber, then tomatoes and some onions. You can add any other vegetable of your choice in your vegetable sandwich. Salt to taste for the vegetables and some pepper powder for the vegetables. Now we'll place the other bread on top of this and we'll keep this aside. Now we will assemble another sandwich. Firstly, we'll apply chutney on one side of the bread. Then we'll place the cucumbers, tomatoes and our onions. We will add in the salt and pepper powder to our vegetables. We'll place another slice of bread on top of this. Moving on to the process of grilling our sandwiches. First we'll have to heat our sandwich maker. Once our sandwich maker is heated, we'll have to brush it with some butter on both the ends, on the top end and the lower end. Then place our sandwiches inside the sandwich maker and close the lid and let it grill for about 2 to 3 minutes in the sandwich maker. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll check on it. Yeah, now our sandwiches have got nice grill marks on both the sides. So now we'll transfer this into our serving plates. We'll serve it with some basil and parsley salad and some potato wafers. So there you go. Our grilled vegetable sandwich is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button. And if you also found the video helpful, like the recipe, then please do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.